What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the PREXISO. I think that's how you pronounce it. If that's not how you pronounce it, please let me know how you pronounce it, or I will look up some videos to see how to properly pronounce it. So I got this, and I got another laser measuring tape that I want to review. So I got this because it's time to upgrade. It's time to upgrade our toolbox. So, and this I think is one of the common tools that is used in the construction industry is a measuring tape. But this is not just any measuring tape. This is a laser measuring tape. So the laser goes up to 135 foot, and the measuring tape itself, I think, goes up to 16 foot max. Okay, so this has a magnet to it. Okay, it has a magnet. It has the inches over here. You have measuring on this side, so you have measuring on two sides. A lot of people want to know like how far the distance can go before it starts bowing on you. So right now I got it at 7 foot and it's bowing. All right, so let's bring it back. So about 4 foot, it stays straight. Okay, I'm at 4 foot. Oops, I'm at 4. Where is? All right, 4 foot, right? I'm at 4 foot, and it stays straight. As far as staying in the air. I know it's kind of boring right now, but you gotta just keep it still. It's kind of windy too. All right, so let me see if I could go 5 foot. 5 foot, it stays straight, but you can see that it's going to bow a little bit. And 6 foot is bowing down, so forget about that. So at least at the 5 foot mark, you can keep it up without it bowing. What else, real quick? All right, so you have this units. And then you have the M button right here. It turns it on. This LED digital area turns on, and the function of it. All right. So I think that's the units of the measurements. All right. So let me turn this on. Don't know if y'all can see it. If y'all can't see it, let me back up. Okay. So I got it on, and okay, it's not upside down. So I got it on. Right now, it's measuring out with the laser as a straight line. So you see that straight line right there? I'm just going to show y'all a couple of functions. The main functions I'm going to show y'all is the straight line. This does square footage, so that is a plus. Most homeowners need to know their square footage, especially when you're doing hardwood, laying down tile. You want to know the measurement of your carpet. You want to get a deck done, you want your patio done, you know, this is a good tool to use. Now I don't know about the laser using outside, so we're going to test that too. I even tested around the deck to see the square footage of the deck. So okay, with that being said, the laser should be on. I got the laser is on my hand. Y'all can see the laser. All right, so let's see if this works in the daylight. All right, so a straight line from my hand to the laser was 50. I got 1 foot 4 inches. Okay, and I apologize if y'all can't see it that good. All right, so that's a straight line. So let me see. I reset it. Like I said, you hit M again to reset it. Let's see if I can hit the fence on my deck. All right, so it works. Even hit the fence on my deck. So where I'm sitting at to the fence on my deck is 11 foot. Straight line. All right, so let me reset that. Like I said, hit the M to reset. Everything went back to 0. All right, let's go to the next function, which is, all right, we have a square box Come on, camera. Come on. Bear with me, y'all. I got the square box right there, right? So it says one side. So this should be square footage. It says F2 right there. So that should be square footage. I'll let y'all know. So we want to do where I'm sitting at. All right. So where I'm sitting at, it had to do one side. All right. So like I said, it's about 11 foot where I'm sitting. And now I'm going to do it from, so I'm doing square footage, right? So let me go ahead and start from here to the wall when I'm shooting it from here to here. All right, so this ain't the actual square footage of the deck. It's just from where I'm sitting to get a certain measurement. And the laser went away, so let me just do it anyway. All right, so 5 foot. So 5 foot from where I'm sitting, and 11 foot, I had 69 square foot. So 70 square foot from here to the fence on my deck, and then from where I'm at to behind me. So that's pretty good. This way you don't have to get your regular measuring tape, you know, wind it out, try to measure all the way down there, and then measure behind you, and then you have to get a piece of paper, you got to get pencil, you got to get your calculator, or you do the multiplication in your head, and then, you know, you just killing time. With this, you can already have it done. So that was square footage. And so you got the volume, and it'll have square 3 on it. Well, not square 3, foot 3. So F2 was square footage, all right? F3 is the volume. So you see this square here is a 3D square. Last time it was just a flat square. This is a 3D square to do your volume, okay? Now let me go ahead and just get the other fun. So volume, you have to do one corner like I just did to the other corner to the other corner, and you got to get the height. So that will calculate the volume. This is a good tool. All right, let's see what else. I'm just going through because I'm already at my 10-minute mark. I don't want to make videos long no more, so let's get it in. All right, so you can do a measurement from corners. Another one, straight line, square footage, volume, corner, straight line. You got your battery there. Now I didn't really look at all the specs online. All right, this product don't come with no instructions. Well, I didn't get mine with instructions, so maybe yours might come with instructions, I don't know. But I'll drop the link in the description, and you can check the specs on Amazon on how long the battery lasts. I'm pretty sure the battery lasts a long time. Okay, so next time I'll look into that. Before I do the video, I'll look in and read it more. But I just wanted to show y'all this because this is a good upgrade. Maybe you could buy this for your dad if your dad is in, you know, carpentry, construction, or anything. Like I said, laser goes 135 foot, so that's pretty of a long distance. But this measuring tape only 16 foot. So for the price, I think it's a little bit more than what it should be. Maybe last time I checked it was 30. I mean, last time I checked it was $50. I can't remember the exact amount that I paid for it. I think it was under 50. I don't think it was 50 when I paid. But and also, if you want digitally, this only does the laser. It don't do the actual measuring tape. Okay, it turned off by itself. It goes to sleep by itself. And you could turn it back on by hitting the M. That's the power button right there. All right, and then the magnet. Let me show y'all that real quick. All right. Can you see my table? Okay, y'all can see. All right, so as you can see, the magnet is pretty strong. I'm going all the way out to, I'm even past 7 foot right now. Okay. So if y'all can see, if y'all can see right now, I'm at 7 foot. So you could go pretty long distance by having it on a piece of metal. And that's about it. It got a clip to it. Clip it on your hip. And that's it. I got the other measuring tape. I'm gonna do a review on that one real quick too. But this is a good add-on. Whoever's in construction, this is a good add-on. So look into this. And I like it. It gives you your square footage. It gives you the length when you laser. So this is good for me. Like, comment, and subscribe to Always Occupied.